quite good emphasis on it. But for the last 2-3 years, I have, for a time being, couple of years, I have put all other subjects behind. And I have just targeted and emphasized on promotion of peace, on tolerance, and counter-extremism, and counter-terrorism, and particularly de-radicalization of youth. And I have started my efforts not to counter the violent extremism. No, my philosophy, I believe in to counter it right when it is non-violent extremism. Because non-violent extremism leads the people and the youth through a process of brainwashing to radicalism. And radicalism leads them to militancy, tendency of militancy, and then finally a violent extremism, which becomes terrorism.
Yes.
So my work is on academic front, on philosophical front, on theological front. Being primarily as a career, I am a professor of law and deputy chancellor of an international university. In fact, I was founding chancellor of the university, the Minhaj University in Pakistan, a chartered university. But since it has been chartered now by the government of Pakistan and recognized by all other universities all over the world, so after achievement of this good status, so by constitution, when university is chartered, then the chancellor, this office is given to the president of the country. So that being the founding chancellor, I have become the deputy chancellor or chairman board of the governors. So through education, through center, through thousands of my students who are working, thousands of my students who are working all over the world in various schools, colleges, universities and institutions.